Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the garden. Today we are out here again making another cut flower arrangement. We're dealing with the rain. Unfortunately, it started raining on us, right? I say us. I was the only one there. You guys weren't there. But I appreciate you being here. I wanted to pick a toad of Feverfew. Mainly I just have tons and tons of Feverfew. Feverfew definitely has kind of a wonky, stinky, funky smell when it gets wet. That's not my favorite, so ideally I don't want to pick wet flowers, but sometimes you gotta, and that's gonna kind of serve as our base for our flower arrangement. The reason I'm using this is the base is just a nice kind of strong filler. After choosing the Feverfew and the Larkspur, it really was kind of just me meandering around the garden in the rain trying to figure out how I'm going to complete this arrangement. And I also grabbed some wrinkled, crinkled cress. And by some cress, I mean I grabbed a ton of cress because it's got that nice kind of feathery foliage. The seed pods look really nice. I really enjoy using these Feverfew and the cress together. I really like the kind of light, airy nature of the arrangements.